Hello YouTube, it's me again. I tried to resolve my microphone issue. I'm not actually sure if it worked or not, but I guess we'll find out. I just found something that kind of upsets me, and I want to share it to you guys. Here's one of the original videos that surfaced with that noise, and this supposedly is a second video of that noise. The first one was very short, it's like a minute long. This one's 11 minutes long. I went through the whole video and I noticed some strange things. First off, I am a music producer and I could kind of hear different sounds and how things work, and to me this sound, it sounds like it's coming from behind the camera with the way I can hear the wind and the birds right in front of the sound, which seems weird to me. Like he's holding the camera out the window. Well, I mean, he is holding it out the window, but if he was, it wouldn't sound that way if the sound's coming from outside the house. Now, I'll play this video. I'm not going to have the microphone near the speaker, but there's some things I noticed in this video that kind of startled me a little bit. We'll start off at 2 minutes in. Right here you'll see about 3 people walking. And he actually zooms in on these people. Now I'm going to rewind it and I'm going to let you watch the whole thing. He zooms in and quickly zooms back out. Now, I'm just going to put it bluntly. I don't care who you are. If there's something this loud in the sky, you're going to be looking around. And yet these people are walking along their business. I mean, they can't hear it. In my opinion, they can't hear the sound. So I'll rewind it, show you. All widescreen, it'll kind of be blurry. Nah, let's put it right here. Look in. They're talking, looking at each other. They don't hear anything. That was the first kind of giveaway for me. Second one is about 7 minutes in. This is the dead giveaway right here. I mean, in my book, this is just, yeah, I mean, you'll see. 7 minutes in. There's a woman walking below the house where he's filming, or the apartment building complex. Just walking along with her dog. Now she actually hears the sound. Just looking around. Doesn't see anything. Looks again. Now, dead giveaway. She's looking behind her. And the second time she actually looked up at the person filming. Which, I mean, come on. It means the sound must be coming from behind him in his house. From some video game or some whatever sound he's playing. I'll continue this clip so you can watch it. And it's funny because the sound stopped until she's gone. Seems odd to me. Simple search online. See if I can actually find it. I'm not sure if I can actually find it, but right here. Listen to this. It's not quite the same thing. Okay, I'll give you a better example. I saw an intro for Mass Effect 2, which is a BioWare video game, and it had that same exact sound in it. If you type in Mass Effect 3, just bear with me. I mean, I should have been more prepared.
Outside the city, this huge honk kind of noise, and it's for clean recordings.
Just listen to this.
Garbage was a bear-trapped, protected garbage, and I opened the lid, and it made this huge ronk kind of noise, and had distinct pinches for up and down. So I decided to record it. We brought it back to the studio, came up with this sound, and it was really nice emotional content to it. So we decided to throw it into a level ambience. Casey heard it, said that's the sound of the Reapers, and basically that became the logo sound and the initial sound of the Reapers in Mass 1. That's the section we use for the logo in anyone. Mass 2 decided to
3 minutes 15 seconds in, same exact sound. I will link this video in with my video along with, not that one, but along with the actual Kiev one that we watched in the beginning. This one right here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, just trying to find answers to what's going on. I know a lot of people are scared and confused. Okay, thank you for listening.